The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Ally Medical ER. With the weather warming up and spring break on the horizon, travel might be in your future. Here to help keep us safe with healthy tips for a great vacation is Dr. Jessica Best of Ally Medical ER. So, Dr. Best, as people start traveling more in the spring, what are some of the biggest health issues you see related to travel?
All right, well, especially if you're going somewhere nice and warm, you may get a sunburn. So we will see those patients frequently. A lot of foodborne illnesses we will see as well, in addition to dehydration, maybe from your foodborne illness, as well as some motion sickness.
Any health-related items that travelers should pack?
Yeah, definitely go ahead and pack your medications, and you may even want to bring those in your carry-on just in case your luggage is lost. Make sure to pack that sunscreen, in addition to maybe some hand sanitizer if you're not able to maybe get out and wash your hands, because we know with all these people traveling, you're going to be exposed to all sorts of diseases.
What advice do you give to travelers to reduce the risk of getting sick on the road, or especially in the air? I still see people flying with masks on to protect themselves.
Yep, periodically you will actually see people with masks, and maybe they're sick or maybe they're not sick, but if you are sick and you are insistent on traveling, please make sure to wash your hands. Please wear that mask, especially if you're coughing, just to prevent exposure to other people. If you can, don't travel. And then for you, a lot of times now when you get on the plane, they give you the nice sanitation wipe and you go ahead and wipe down your area. You can always bring your own hand sanitizer or make sure to wash your hands. Depending on where you're traveling, just maybe use a little bit of caution in like what you're eating, what you're drinking, who's preparing the food.
Okay, all right. At what point should travelers seek medical care? Either while they're traveling, that would be a bit of a bummer, or once they get home?
Sure, yeah. So if you are becoming very dehydrated, maybe you did get something and you have a lot of vomiting and diarrhea, you may want to go ahead and seek care while you are wherever you are. In addition to any high fevers, like gastroenteritis that's giving you a fever, like you may need antibiotics. And so it may be a good time to go ahead and see someone wherever you are traveling to, and then, or if you're leaving quickly, you can always come see us back here.
And you guys are able to diagnose these sorts of things and give us treatment?
Yes, of course. We have on-site lab, on-site testing. We even run panels for respiratory illnesses as well as gastrointestinal issues. We have, meds on site if we need to get you started on something. And then, of course, you can write prescription.
Can get you feeling better fast.
Yeah.
Okay, Dr. Best, thank you.
Thank you.
Ally Medical ER has 7 locations across the greater Austin area. Use online check-in at allymedical.com for added convenience. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Ally Medical ER.